Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
So one of the other SEC commissioners, Hester Peirce, has said something that isn't directly related to the Ripple against the SEC case, but is indirectly related to Ripple. Because this is exactly what Ripple has been saying since the lawsuit began on December 22nd, 2020, for several years. So the SEC just released one of its accounting bulletins, which is essentially when they announce things like new accounting standards or measures pertaining to how specific firms should keep track of their accounting records. The Securities and Exchange Commission issued a statement specifically for two cryptocurrency exchanges outlining how they should account for crypto assets. It was a response to their concerns. Because these platforms are essentially holding custody of someone else's cryptocurrency, the SEC believes they should be required to list it as a liability on their balance sheets in order to demonstrate their obligation to essentially protect, hold, and manage someone else's cryptocurrency assets. Hester initially issued her own statement on the subject, explaining why she disagrees with it, but she is really making a point that Ripple has been agreeing with for a couple of years at the time of her statement. Because she is effectively criticizing the SEC for years of lack of clarity, standards, and regulations in the crypto asset space. According to her, despite numerous requests over the years, the SEC has failed to provide regulatory advice regarding how our laws apply to crypto assets, and as a result, the SEC bears a portion of the blame for the lack of legal and regulatory clarity in this area. In every way, she is completely correct. Is this going to put a stop to the SEC's investigation? No, but it's another remark from an SEC commissioner who says, listen, there hasn't been any regulatory clarity for years, which you know is true. So do you think the SEC will give the crypto world more regulatory clarity? Before we move on, check out the links in the description of this video to see more about iTrust Capital and earn free $100. iTrust Capital offers tax-free crypto. Guys, you can invest in cryptocurrency using your IRA. You can withdraw the cryptocurrency from this account tax-free after you declare your retirement. And what's better, if you sign up now, you get $100 free. There is now no cost, no monthly fees, and no setup fees. Simply click on my link down below in the description to open an account, then fund it for free. The only time you'll pay money is if you want to stop moving and do a little shuffle and bustle. All trades are tax-free within IRAs. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and Chainlink are among the tokens in which you can invest. Avalanche is being added, Stellar is on the platform, XRP will be added right after they have won the SEC lawsuit. You can also invest in gold and silver, so definitely check it out. Visit the link in the description of this video, set up the account, and claim the free $100. XRP is edging closer to $1 US. It was trading at US 86 cents, down from earlier levels of US 90 cents. Despite the fact that XRP has been falling, the cryptocurrency's overall trajectory for the year looks promising. XRP has outperformed several other cryptocurrencies this year, with a year-to-date gain of 6.41%. So what's the deal with this? The main reason for this is that the news from XRP and Ripple Labs has been extremely positive. As a result of a number of developments, XRP appears to be on the verge of becoming a mainstream payment system in the near future. This should increase demand for the XRP token in the long run, which could lead to a price increase in the short term. It also could be because the lawsuit is going well. One thing you might be surprised to learn is that the lawsuit in which Ripple is currently involved is listed as a positive. The SEC is still suing Ripple, and it is widely assumed that it will prevail. Ripple's achievements include discovering remarks by SEC officials stating that cryptocurrencies are not securities, winning a series of procedural victories, and having former SEC-affiliated attorneys admit that its case is valid. Ripple appears to have a good chance of winning the case, or at least reaching a favorable settlement. That's good news because it means Ripple will be able to keep the Ripple blockchain and Ripple Net payment network alive in the future. Ripple will also avoid having to pay the $1.3 billion fine that the SEC is attempting to collect if it wins. The news of Ripple's court victories is making waves in the market, and it has the potential to boost the token's value. Because banks are embracing the Ripple network, XRP may even cross the $1 mark. Ripple's payments network is being embraced by banks all over the world, which is one of the most important things it has going for it this year. Ripple has already been used for cross-border payments by a number of institutions in Israel and Australia this year, including the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce and the Israeli Bank of Commerce. They claim that the blockchain's incredible speed will enable them to deliver payments in record time to recipients all over the world. The RippleNet blockchain handles financial transactions, but it gets its funding from the XRP cryptocurrency. It's possible that as the Ripple payment network becomes more widely used, demand for XRP will rise as a result of this increased demand. So do you think XRP will break through the $1 mark? Well, 2022 has already proven to be a fantastic year for XRP and Ripple Labs, and it is entirely possible for XRP to reach the $37,500 mark. The price of XRP is skyrocketing when compared to other cryptocurrencies, and Ripple Labs is getting free publicity worth $500,000. It appears that now is a good time to invest in XRP. Ripple has also unlocked another 1 billion XRP, which is breaking news. Many cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, claim to offer real-world benefits. Nonetheless, Ripple's global payment solution, RippleNet, which was launched in 2015, has made significant progress towards realizing that goal. The widespread acceptance of the asset, as well as the asset's massive addressable market, have the potential to generate enormous value for investors. Furthermore, as globalization increases the need to transfer money across borders, the digital remittance market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 13.3% to $42.5 billion by 2028. Ripple has a good chance of capturing a piece of this massive market potential thanks to its low transaction costs and lightning-fast processing times. Because Ripple can complete a transaction in 3 to 5 seconds for 0.00001 XRP tokens, which is a fraction of a penny when each XRP token is worth 81 cents, this is a very small price to pay for numerous transactions. Ripple, on the other hand, distinguishes itself from other cryptocurrencies by forming partnerships with real-world businesses. Ripple offers the RippleNet Enterprise blockchain network, which is designed to help businesses with money transfers. RippleNet has partnered with over 100 traditional financial institutions, including American Express, the world's largest credit card company. Its widespread acceptance reflects a resoundingly positive vote of confidence in the creator's technology. According to cryptocurrency fund tracker Whale Stats, Ripple took 1 billion XRP from its escrow account on April 1st, which was split into 2 payments of 500 million XRP each. The XRP funds, which were released in the early hours of today, were valued at about $811.39 million, according to the blockchain information of each transaction, according to Whale Stats. The unlocked funds, however, have caused XRP to plummet. The price of cryptocurrency has dropped significantly as a result of the recent unlocking of XRP. The Securities and Exchange Commission has also asked for permission to correct a typographical error in handwritten meeting minutes between Valerie Szczepanik, a member of its staff, and Coin Center, a cryptocurrency research center. The SEC stated in a motion filed yesterday that it wants to change the date of the meeting. The SEC stated in the original declaration that the meeting between Szczepanik and Coin Center occurred on June 20, 2018. The meeting was originally scheduled for June 20, 2017. Ms. Szczepanik's notes from a meeting with Coin Center, a purported nonprofit research and advocacy center focused on cryptocurrencies, on June 20, 2018, are described in the declaration. The notices are dated June 20, 2017, and the meeting took place on that date, the SEC's request stated. The SEC's amended declaration was issued after Judge Sarah Netburn ordered the agency to submit proposed redactions by April 8, 2022, in order for the judge to conduct an in-camera review of the documents. Remember that the SEC requested that certain portions of handwritten notes between its staff and third parties be redacted on March 23, 2022, because the majority of the opinions contained in the documents are personal and not public guidance. Some of the meeting minutes, including those of Valerie Szczepanik, Michael Seaman, and John Ingram, are being redacted by the SEC. While the move was seen as part of the SEC's plan to prolong the lawsuit, Ripple was not willing to take any chances and requested that the SEC forward the notes involved in the proposed redaction. The SEC, on the other hand, did not specify the exact portion of the redaction, making it difficult for Ripple to figure out. Ripple announced in the late hours of April 4, 2022, that it would not challenge the SEC's proposed redaction request at this time because it does not have substantial knowledge of the matter and had almost run out of deadlines to file a response. According to the blockchain firm, the court is in a better position to decide whether the SEC's proposed redactions should be protected under the deliberative process privilege.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.